Somewhere in America, a man just made $500 in his sleep. They call it Autopilot, money that arrives whether you work or not. And the internet swears you can have it too, for one cheap online course. Here's what nobody says out loud: that 500 a day is real. Thousands pull it off. But almost everything you've been told about how to get there is a lie. There's a hidden price tag on the word autopilot, a number they bury so deep it never shows up in the thumbnail. Stay with me. By the end, I'll show you what $500 a day actually costs, and you'll never fall for the pitch again. If we haven't met, I'm Sargon, and this is Strategy State, the channel where we take the money myths everyone repeats and run them through the numbers until the truth falls out. Today's myth is a giant: $500 a day on autopilot. So, let's take it apart, piece by piece, and dig out the part they're hiding. First, let's be fair to the fantasy, because the fantasy is intoxicating. Picture it. You wake up at 11. You reach for your phone. Overnight, while you were dreaming, $500 quietly landed in your account. No email answered, no customer handled, no boss, no alarm, no commute. The money simply arrived while you slept. Do that every single day, and you're looking at $182,000 a year, more than most doctors take home, for doing, apparently, nothing. That's the promise. Now here's the first crack in it. Here's the first reality check. Analyses of census income data suggest that only about 1 in 5 American households pulls in any real passive income at all. And for the households that do, the typical amount is only a few $1,000s, not per day, not per month, per year. Sit with that for a second. The dream sells you $500 a day. The everyday reality is closer to $10 a day. That's not a small gap. The promise and the truth are off by something like 40 to 1. But side hustles, the comments shout. Fine, let's check. The average American side hustle brings in somewhere between $200 and $400 a month, depending on which survey you trust. Not a day, a month. And here's the detail that quietly murders the word autopilot. More than 2 out of 3 side hustlers report burnout. You cannot burn out from something that runs itself. If it exhausts you, it was never passive. It was just a second job wearing a nicer word. So, if the honest numbers are this brutal, why does your feed overflow with people swearing they cracked the code? Follow the money, literally. Let me tell you about a company called Click Profit. In 2025, the Federal Trade Commission shut it down. Their pitch? An AI-powered online store that would generate passive income on autopilot. Almost the exact phrase in this video's title. To buy in, ordinary people paid between $15,000 and $40,000 for a done-for-you business. And what did they get for their money? Fake dashboards showing earnings that never existed, and relentless pressure to buy even more coaching on top. And Click Profit was not a one-off. That same year, the FTC banned Ecommerce Empire Builders, which sold done-for-you stores for as much as $35,000 and promised 10 grand a month that, for most buyers, never showed up. Then came Ganadores, an infallible system that ended in a $20 million judgment and a lifetime ban. And the all-time record judgment for a get-rich-quick operation like these? $478 million in a single case. See the pattern yet? The autopilot was never the product they were selling. You were the product. Your 15 grand was their 500 a day. And the con keeps evolving. The newest flavor is the AI trading bot, an autonomous algorithm that supposedly grows your money around the clock. Regulators have warned about these over and over, because the slick dashboard is usually showing you simulated profits, while, behind the glass, no real trading is happening at all. Same trick, newer paint. The screen glows green, the numbers climb, and none of it is connected to a single real trade. Now here's the part that should genuinely change how you watch videos like this one. On YouTube, the single most valuable topic an advertiser can run an ad against is, you guessed it, making money online. It pays creators one of the highest rates on the entire platform, around $13 for every 1,000 views, several times what an entertainment channel earns. So think about what that actually means. The people teaching you to get rich on autopilot are getting rich on autopilot by teaching you to get rich on autopilot. The dream isn't the destination. The dream is the business model. Okay. So is the whole thing just a con? Here's where I owe you some honesty, because this channel doesn't deal in cheap cynicism. Real passive income exists. Genuinely hands-off, wake up richer, 500 a day passive income is completely real. I know people who live on it. Which brings us, at last, to the number they bury. The cleanest form of true autopilot is the dividend. You own a slice of profitable companies, and 4 times a year they simply mail you your cut. No work, no customers, no burnout. So let's do the math nobody else does. To pull $500 a day, that's $182,000 a year, from a solid dividend fund yielding around 3.5%, you would need roughly $5 million invested. 5 million. Push into higher yield territory, say 5.5%, and you still need over 3 million. Chase the risky 10% stuff, and you're still parking almost $2 million just to flip the switch. There it is. That's the hidden price tag. 500 a day on autopilot is real. It just costs somewhere between $2 and $5 million in capital up front. The autopilot is genuine. It's simply the last mile of the trip, not the first step. Nobody sells you that version, of course, because save $5 million first, then relax, doesn't exactly move online courses. But before you close the tab in despair, there's good news hiding in that same math. You don't need the whole $5 million to begin. Scale it down. $500 a month in real dividends takes somewhere around $110,000 to $160,000 invested. And every dividend you reinvest quietly buys the next one for you. Still a serious sum, yes, but a target a patient person can actually build toward over years of steady investing. That's the honest version of autopilot. Small, slow, and real, instead of instant, huge, and fake. Fine, you say. Forget the millions. What about those faceless YouTube channels that print money while the owner sleeps? Good question. It's the most honest version of the dream. And yes, some operators genuinely clear $30,000 a month running a whole portfolio of channels at once. But look at the base of the mountain, not the summit. By most estimates, the vast majority of these channels, around 97%, never make real money. One creator documented spending $26,000 over 5 months and ending nearly $10,000 in the hole. The tiny fraction who win treat it like the business it actually is. Real startup capital, $5,000 to $15,000 of runway, and 6 months to 2 years of unpaid grind before a single dollar comes back. That's not autopilot. That's a startup that happens to make videos. And here's the thing, all of this has been quietly telling you. Every real path to $500 a day charges the same toll. It just bills you in different currencies. You can pay with money, or you can pay with years. But there is no door marked free. Autopilot isn't how you get wealthy. Autopilot is what wealth feels like once you've already done the hard part. The plane really does fly itself, but only after someone built it, fueled it, and hauled it up to altitude through a storm. The switch on the dashboard is real. It's just at the far end of the runway, not the start. And anyone selling you that switch for $19.99 is, at this very second, flipping their own, with your money as the fuel. So the next time an ad promises you $500 a day while you sleep, you'll know the real question isn't how. It's who is actually getting paid here? And if the answer is the guy in the ad, well, he isn't lying about the autopilot. He's just not telling you whose plane it is. If this saved you from a 1999 mistake, do me one favor. Hit subscribe so Strategy State can keep turning money myths into cold, hard math. Guard your wallet, question the dream, and I'll see you in the next one. Sargon, out.